Hello everybody. I got this door closer. And it's a really good quality door closer. Really nice. This is the closing arm. But it came with a tightening screw. And it requires a tiny Allen wrench to adjust the length. But the tightening screw is stripped. And you absolutely can't adjust it. You cannot tighten it because the threads are stripped. And it happened to me a couple of times. So the threads are stripped. And it's a tiny screw. So what I did, I used the 1/4 inch bolt, and it's going to be longer, but I'm gonna use a couple of washers and the lock washer as well. I couldn't find the original screw, but this one works just as fine. Here you go. You can easily adjust to the proper length. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.